Hey everyone, it's Family Trip. We're so excited to have you join us on this incredible journey. Today, we're heading to a place that's often overlooked but is a true gem in Southeast Asia. Get ready for an adventure like no other. We're taking you to the heart of Southeast Asia, to Battambang, Cambodia. This city is not just a destination, it's an experience. Nestled in the northwest of Cambodia, Battambang is the country's second largest city and is known for its well-preserved colonial architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. This place is amazing. It has beautiful green landscapes, interesting history, and a really cool vibe. From the lush rice paddies that stretch as far as the eye can see to the historical sites that tell stories of a bygone era, Battambang is a feast for the senses. The streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, and there's always something new to discover around every corner. I know what you're thinking. Cambodia is all temples and old ruins, right? While it's true that Cambodia is home to the magnificent Angkor Wat, there's so much more to explore beyond the famous temples. Battambang offers a different perspective on Cambodian culture and history. You're thinking of Angkor Wat. But Battambang is different. Here, you'll find a unique blend of old and new, where traditional Cambodian life meets modern influences. The local markets are a sensory overload with vibrant colors, exotic smells, and the sounds of vendors selling their wares. The architecture is a fascinating mix of French colonial buildings and traditional Khmer structures. We're showing you the cool hidden places most tourists don't know about. Battambang is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From secluded temples nestled in the jungle to quiet villages where time seems to stand still, there's always something new to explore. These off-the-beaten-path locations offer a glimpse into the authentic Cambodian way of life. Get ready to see some of the freshest, clearest water you've ever seen. Battambang is home to some stunning natural water features. Whether it's a serene lake surrounded by lush greenery or a crystal-clear pond hidden away in the forest, the water here is incredibly pure and refreshing. We're talking sparkling lakes, hidden waterfalls, and rivers flowing through jungles. These natural wonders are perfect for a day of relaxation or adventure. Imagine taking a dip in a cool, refreshing lake, or discovering a hidden waterfall deep in the jungle. The rivers here are also a great way to explore the lush Cambodian landscape. These are the kinds of places that make you want to stay forever. The natural beauty of Battambang is truly captivating. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or seeking adventure and exploration, Battambang has something for everyone. The peaceful nature scenes are perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. You don't want to miss this. Join us as we explore the hidden treasures of Battambang, from its vibrant culture and rich history to its stunning natural beauty. This is a journey you won't forget, so pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. First, we're going to CK Sak Resort. Nestled in the heart of Cambodia, this hidden gem is a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility and a deep connection with nature. As you approach the entrance, you can already feel the stress of daily life melting away. The aerial view reveals a lush, green landscape dotted with charming huts and winding rivers, inviting you to explore its serene beauty. This place is super relaxing. Imagine yourself lounging in a hammock by the river, the gentle sway lulling you into a state of pure bliss. The sound of the water flowing nearby and the rustling of leaves in the breeze create a symphony of relaxation. It's a perfect spot to unwind, read a book, or simply let your mind wander. Imagine waking up surrounded by nature. The first rays of the morning sun filter through the trees, casting a golden glow on everything around you. You unzip your tent and step out to breathe in the crisp, fresh air. The world is waking up with you, and there's a sense of peace and renewal in the air. You smell flowers, hear birds singing, and the river flowing nearby. It's so peaceful. The vibrant colors of the flowers and the cheerful songs of the birds create a picturesque scene that feels like a painting come to life. The gentle murmur of the river adds a soothing background melody, making it easy to lose yourself in the moment. The river is crystal clear, like a mirror. You can see the pebbles at the bottom and the fish swimming gracefully. The water is so pure and inviting that it beckons you to take a dip and feel its refreshing embrace. It's a natural wonder that adds to the resort's charm. You can swim, kayak, or just float. The river offers a variety of activities for water enthusiasts. Whether you prefer the thrill of kayaking through gentle rapids or the simple pleasure of floating on your back, gazing up at the sky, there's something for everyone. The water is cool and invigorating, perfect for a hot day. They have little huts by the water, perfect for reading or napping. These bamboo huts are cozy and inviting, providing a shaded retreat from the sun. You can curl up with a good book or take a leisurely nap, lulled by the sounds of nature. It's a perfect way to spend a lazy afternoon. If you want adventure, Sopheak has jungle hikes to waterfalls and old temples, and the food, amazing! The resort offers guided hikes through the dense jungle, leading you to breathtaking waterfalls and ancient temples hidden in the forest. It's an adventure that combines natural beauty with a touch of history. After a day of exploring, you can indulge in delicious local cuisine. Fresh fish from the river, cooked with local spices. It's so good. The resort's chefs prepare mouth-watering dishes using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The fish is cooked to perfection, seasoned with aromatic spices that tantalize your taste buds. Each meal is a culinary delight that adds to the overall experience. Sopheak Resort is more than a place to stay. It's an experience. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, find peace and relaxation, and create lasting memories. The resort's serene environment and friendly staff make it a perfect getaway for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's about getting away from the noise and enjoying nature. The resort offers a peaceful retreat where you can leave behind the stress and distractions of city life. Here, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, listen to the sounds of the forest, and truly relax. You'll leave feeling brand new. A stay at Sopheak Resort is rejuvenating for both the body and the soul. You'll return home with a renewed sense of energy and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. It's a transformative experience that stays with you long after you've left. Next, we're going to Camping Pui Lake. This place is special. It's not just a pretty lake, it's important to the people who live there. They fish and farm here. Imagine the sun setting over the water. You see fishermen in boats, their shadows on the water. It's like a movie, but it's real life. You can rent a boat, try fishing, or just enjoy the view. You might even see Irrawaddy dolphins. Camping Pui is more than just beautiful, it helps many families. It shows that beautiful places can also be important places. Get ready to go back in time. We're going to Banan Temple, high on a hill. We're talking old ruins, broken towers, and detailed carvings. You can feel the history, it's like a lost world. But it's not just the history, it's the location. It's surrounded by jungle, with amazing views. You can see for miles, watch out for monkeys. They're everywhere, swinging and playing. Hold on to your stuff, they like to steal, but it's all part of the fun. Okay, get ready, because Phnom Sampho is a serious place. Located in the Battambang province of Cambodia, this site is not just a natural wonder but also a place steeped in history and emotion. As you approach, the entrance itself sets the tone for what lies ahead. The landscape is both beautiful and haunting, a juxtaposition that will stay with you long after you leave. It's sad, and it reminds us of a dark time in history. The overcast skies often seem to mirror the somber mood of the place. Here, you can find memorials that pay tribute to the lives lost during one of the darkest periods in Cambodian history. The atmosphere is heavy, filled with a sense of loss and reflection. But first, the natural beauty, huge cliffs with caves to explore. These limestone cliffs are a marvel of nature, standing tall and imposing. The caves within them are like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Each cave has its own unique features, from intricate rock formations to hidden chambers that spark the imagination. You can hike through them, some have Buddhist shrines, and the views from the top are amazing. The trails are well marked, making it easy for visitors to navigate through the caves. Inside, you'll find Buddhist shrines that add a spiritual dimension to the experience. And when you reach the top, the panoramic views are nothing short of breathtaking. You can see the countryside stretch out for miles, a patchwork of fields and forests that seem to go on forever. You can see everything for miles. The vantage points offer a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape, making it a perfect spot for photography or simply soaking in the natural beauty. The horizon seems to blend seamlessly with the sky, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. But Phnom Sampho has a sad history. This place is not just about natural beauty, it's also a site of historical significance. During the Khmer Rouge regime, these caves were used for horrific purposes. The history here is palpable, and it's impossible to ignore the weight of what happened. During the Khmer Rouge, these caves were used to kill people. The dark interiors of the caves serve as a stark reminder of the atrocities committed here. Walking through these spaces, you can almost feel the echoes of the past, a chilling reminder of the cruelty that humans are capable of. It's a reminder of terrible things that happened. Inside, you'll find memorials. These memorials are simple yet powerful, often adorned with flowers and plaques that tell the stories of those who perished. They serve as a poignant reminder of the lives lost and the suffering endured. It's a hard experience but an important one. Visiting these sites can be emotionally challenging, but it's crucial for understanding the full scope of Cambodia's history. Many visitors find themselves deeply moved, taking time to reflect on the past and its implications for the future. It reminds us to never forget and to work for a better future. The eternal flame at the memorial site symbolizes the enduring memory of those who suffered. As the sun rises over Phnom Sampo, it brings a sense of hope and renewal, a reminder that while we must remember the past, we must also strive to create a better future for all. Last, we're going to Wat Ek Phnom, a peaceful place. This isn't a typical tourist temple. It's hidden, covered in vines and roots, and it's beautiful. You can feel the history as you walk through the old archways and see the statues. It's like going back in time. The best part, you'll probably be alone there. No crowds, just peace and quiet. It's perfect for relaxing and thinking. Explore the ruins, enjoy the quiet, and relax at Wat Ek Phnom. So there you have it, our top freshwater spots in Battambang. From calm lakes to old temples, there's something for everyone. If you want an adventure to see nature and experience real Cambodian culture, then you need to go to Battambang. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more travel videos, and tell us in the comments which place you want to visit most. See you next time.